History is a blend of fact, interpretation, and imagination. The stories are inspired by historical accounts, myths, and cultural legacies. While we aim to bring history alive, we encourage you to explore, research, and question these narratives.
Deep in the ancient mists of Tamilkam, where myth and history intertwine, arose the legendary Chera dynasty. In the early days of this storied land, Uthiya Cheralathan emerged as a warrior king whose valor and resolve carved a path for generations to follow. With eyes ablaze and determination as fierce as the monsoon winds, Uthiya led his people against overwhelming odds, forging a kingdom that embraced both the rugged terrain of the western Ghats and the bountiful shores of the Malabar coast. His battles, echoing like thunder across the ages, became immortalized in poetic verses and heroic sagas. Yet, it was his ultimate sacrifice, choosing death over dishonor, that enshrined his name in the annals of time. Building upon this foundation, Sengotuvan ascended as a ruler whose reign was marked by a renaissance of art, commerce, and culture. Known as the Red Chera, Sengotuvan expanded the kingdom's influence and patronized epic literature, ensuring that the legacy of the Cheras would resound through the corridors of history. Their intertwined destinies forged a legacy of strength, honor, and cultural brilliance, a testament to the enduring spirit of South India. Deep within the revered halls of ancient Chera courts, where valor met devotion, a timeless epic began to weave its magic. In this illustrious realm, the story of Silapatikram emerged, a lyrical tapestry that immortalized the journey of Kannagi, a woman whose purity and indomitable spirit defeat the darkest injustices. Her path, marked by both heart-wrenching sorrow and transcendent hope, resonated in every whispered verse and resounding chorus across royal chambers and bustling marketplaces alike. As bards recited her tale beneath starlit skies, Kannagi became more than a character in an epic. She became the living embodiment of righteousness and moral strength. Her unwavering quest for justice not only stirred the hearts of her people but also cemented the Chera legacy as one of deep cultural insight and noble ambition. Through the fusion of myth and history, the story of Kannagi imbued the Chera dynasty with a timeless allure, a legacy that continues to inspire generations, echoing the eternal call for truth and honor in the soul of the land. Under the resplendent glow of ancient trade winds, the Chera dynasty ascended to global renown not solely through military might, but by forging an empire of commerce. Along the sun-dappled shores of Tamilkam, bustling ports became vibrant crossroads of civilization. Here, the Cheras transformed their coastal cities into thriving hubs where East met West in a dazzling display of wealth and ambition. Among the treasures traded, black pepper, revered as black gold, sparked a fervor that lured merchants from distant lands. Majestic Roman galleons, laden with fine wine, delicate glassware, and rare artifacts, braved the vast Indian Ocean to dock at these legendary harbors. Every transaction was a symphony of negotiation and cultural exchange, echoing the heartbeat of a kingdom that understood the power of prosperity. As the coffers of the Chera kings swelled, their influence extended far beyond local borders, blending the art of governance with the finesse of global diplomacy. This enduring Roman connection enriched their legacy, weaving together strands of commerce, art, and military strategy into a tapestry that forever altered the course of history, leaving an indelible mark on the ancient world. In the vibrant heart of ancient Tamilkam, an era of dynamic power and fierce rivalry unfolded under the banner of the Moonvinthar, a triumvirate of illustrious dynasties, the Cheras, the Cholas, and the Pandyas. Within this intricate tapestry of rule, the rivalry between the Cheras and the Pandyas burned with unyielding intensity, each kingdom vying to etch its supremacy into the annals of history. The Cheras, masters of the maritime trade and guardians of a rich cultural legacy, commanded the flourishing coastal realms, their wealth derived from the precious spice trade and far-reaching seafaring expeditions. In contrast, the Pandyas, driven by an indomitable spirit and celebrated for their valor, harnessed the might of their warriors to secure bountiful inland territories and critical trade routes. Battles raged along verdant river banks and dense forests, where the clash of swords and the thunder of war drums bore testimony to ambitions that transcended mere conquest. Each skirmish was not only a contest for land but also a struggle to claim cultural pride and royal patronage of art and literature. Amid shifting alliances and turbulent times, the legacy of the Tamil triarchy endures, a resounding echo of valor, rivalry, and an everlasting spirit that defines South India's ancient soul. A dark veil of uncertainty descended upon Tamilkam during the enigmatic Kalabhra interlude, a period when the established order of ancient dynasties was upended by mysterious forces. As the luminous legacy of the Cheras waned in the shadow of the Kalabhra, poets and scholars lamented the silence of traditions once celebrated in vibrant courtly discourse. The art, literature, and cultural brilliance that had defined the Chera era were momentarily obscured, leaving the land shrouded in an almost impenetrable dusk. Yet, in the heart of this disarray, hope flickered like a solitary flame. From the ruins of chaos, the later Cheras emerged, a renaissance of resilience and vision. Drawing strength from the lessons of past glories and the scars of disruption, these new rulers set about reclaiming their lost eminence. With determined strides, they restored critical trade routes, reinvigorated temple patronage, and re-established the age-old traditions that had once brought prosperity and honor to the Chera name. Their resurgence heralded a vibrant new dawn, where the spirit of the past merged with innovation, and the legacy of a great civilization blazed anew for the ages. In the luminous era following the Kalabhra interlude, the later Cheras witnessed the emergence of a transformative ruler, Kulsekhara Alvar. More than a conqueror, he was a visionary who redefined kingship by uniting martial valor with profound spirituality. Under his enlightened leadership, the ancient city of Mahodhyapuram blossomed into a magnificent capital, a beacon of art, commerce, and devotion. Grand temples adorned with intricate carvings and crowned with soaring vimanas stood as eternal testaments to divine inspiration and royal patronage. In the vibrant streets of Mahodhyapuram, the air pulsed with the harmonious blend of scholarly discourse, artistic creation, and bustling trade. Poets, philosophers, and artisans found sanctuary in the generous embrace of Kulsekhara Alvar's court, where every edict and cultural revival resonated with the wisdom of the ages. His reign was marked by reforms that invigorated the economy, celebrated religious traditions, and bridged the past with a promising future. Meticulously inscribed copper plate grants chronicled his benevolence and visionary policies, ensuring that his legacy would be immortalized in the annals of time. In Mahodhyapuram's resplendent glow, the Chera dynasty's illustrious heritage was reborn, casting a golden light upon the eternal spirit of South India. In the resplendent era that followed the cultural renaissance of Mahodhyapuram, the Chera dynasty extended its reach far beyond the shores of South India. The flourishing coastal cities, enriched by the enlightened reign of Kulsekhara Alvar, transformed into vibrant gateways where the world converged. Here, the enticing aroma of black pepper, revered as black gold, mingled with the salt-kissed breeze of the Indian Ocean, heralding a new chapter of global commerce and cultural fusion. Majestic Roman galleons, laden with fine wine, delicate glassware, and exotic treasures, navigated treacherous seas to dock at these illustrious ports, drawn by the irresistible allure of spice and wealth. As diverse merchants and skilled diplomats exchanged goods and ideas, the Cheras masterfully intertwined economic prosperity with statecraft, fortifying their legacy with alliances that transcended borders. The wealth amassed through these bustling trade routes not only enhanced their military might but also enriched their patronage of art and literature. This era of maritime dominance and international influence set a dynamic prelude to the looming conflicts, quietly paving the way for the epic struggles of the Chera-Chola Wars, where the fierce clash for supremacy would soon unfold. In the vast theatre of ancient Tamilkam, the stage was set for an epic confrontation as the Cheras and the Cholas clashed in a battle for eternal dominion. The Cheras, custodians of a glorious maritime heritage and bearers of wealth from far-reaching trade, found themselves pitted against the fierce and unyielding Chola warriors, masters of relentless strategy and martial prowess. Their conflicts transcended mere territorial disputes, they were monumental struggles where every riverbank, every rugged hill, and every fortified city became a crucible for valor and ambition. The clash of armies resonated with the roar of war drums and the clashing of iron, as both sides unleashed tactical brilliance and raw courage. Amid swirling mists and the echo of battle cries, the Chera forces fought with the burning memory of their forefathers, while the Cholas advanced with unwavering determination. In a relentless series of sieges and skirmishes, cities were besieged and borders redrawn, each confrontation etching its mark into the annals of history. Through shifting alliances and bitter betrayals, the Chera-Chola wars carved out legends of sacrifice and glory, an enduring testament to the indomitable spirit of two ancient powers locked in a struggle for supremacy in the heart of South India. Within the expansive kingdom of the Cheras, culture and administration interwove to create a legacy of unmatched brilliance. The Chera kings elevated art, faith, and governance into a harmonious symphony that echoed through every corner of their realm. Grand temples, adorned with intricate carvings and crowned with soaring vimanas, rose like beacons of devotion and architectural mastery. These sacred structures were more than places of worship, they were vibrant centers where rituals, scholarly debates, and artistic expression converged to celebrate the divine. Beneath the spiritual splendor lay a meticulously organized administration that ensured justice and prosperity. Copper plate grants, etched with precise royal decrees, chronicled land endowments, administrative reforms, and acts of benevolence that underscored the Chera commitment to fairness. These enduring records served as tangible links between the sovereign and his subjects, safeguarding rights and immortalizing the achievements of a great civilization. In this fusion of sacred devotion and pragmatic governance, the Chera legacy was cast in eternal light, a testament to a people who nurtured both the soul and the state in their quest for everlasting glory. At the twilight of their once mighty reign, the Cheras faced their final struggles, a period of internal discord and mounting external pressures that shattered the unity of a dynasty once celebrated for its maritime mastery and cultural brilliance. As internal divisions deepened and rival factions clashed, the once vaunted Chera warriors found themselves embroiled in desperate battles on bloodied battlegrounds. The sound of clashing swords and the relentless beat of war drums marked an era when every defeat echoed like a fading heartbeat, dimming the luminous legacy that had once united a vast and prosperous realm. Yet even as the empire crumbled, the spirit of the Cheras refused to be silenced. Their timeless epics, inscribed on enduring copper plates and immortalized in majestic temples, continued to sing the saga of valor, wisdom, and enlightened governance. Today, the Chera legacy lives on in the hearts of the Indian people and resonates across the world. In the art, literature, and vibrant traditions of South India, the echoes of their glory inspire new generations, a testament to an eternal brilliance that transcends the confines of time and adversity.